I'm Brittany with WTI, and I am a firm believer that the simplest things make the biggest difference. And this DiMarkBlue Collapsible Laundry Basket made a huge difference in doing my laundry. I love how compact and how easy it is to store, which makes it easy to carry it with me to where my dirty clothes are. I love the quality of the silicone and the hard plastic to make it easy to open and close the handles. Though it is small, I'm impressed by how much clothes it can fit into it. Our laundry room is downstairs, and that's why I love this basket so much. It's easy to transport our clothes from upstairs to down, and when they're clean, from down to up. I like to have it on my bed so I don't make a huge mess and I can slowly fold everything that I need. And when I'm done, push it down and put it back where it belongs in our new laundry room. It has made life so much easier. And that's my point of view.